Hi everyone, I'm Janelle and today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect Siren Cat Eye eyeliner look featuring all of L'Oreal Paris products. Let's get into it. A Siren Eye gives you that cat, feline, yet a little smoky and seductive look to it. I'm first going to go in with the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Bronzer. This is in the shade 400 and I'm going to go all over my lid. This is so pigmented and lasts all day. I'm just going to brush this on the lid. And then what I like to do is I like to go up towards my brow. This starts to give that siren look because it's connecting the brow to the eye. And then I'm also gonna take some of this and just wing it out to create that siren eye. Just like so, and I'm gonna do the other side. Then, to just continue to shape the eye, I'm gonna go and just drag this down to the tip of the nose. It's really gonna pull the whole eye look together. Then I just continue to drag it down my nose. So now I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Grip Gel Mechanical Liner to shape out our wing liner. We're gonna create a line with the gel, and I'm gonna start at the edge of my eye and just pull it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna go at the edge. Take this tiny buffer at the end and start buffing it out so it gives that smoky effect. And then I'm gonna pull it up. And then you can take an angled brush and start shaping out that line. This eyeliner is so creamy and smooth, so you can shape it before it dries. So you've started to shape that wing. And then I go back in with this eyeliner and go underneath my lash line just to really give that feline siren look. The black underneath the lash line gives you that almond shape. That's perfect. I'm also just gonna take a bit above my lash line and then I'm just buffing this out. Then I'm going right in the corner of my eye and making that line a bit thicker. This is a good start with what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then we'll move on. A little trick when you're lining underneath your lash line is to look down so you can put the pencil up within that lash line. So you're just gonna look down and then draw in the lash line. This is where it gets really fun. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Precision Felt Tip Liner. With the steadiest hand, I'm gonna go in and trace just along the underside of that line. Now I'm going to apply the eyeliner in the bottom corner of my lash line, and then I'm gonna go up in the corner of my lash line. Just like so, and I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side. I'm gonna go back in with the Infallible Grip Gel Liner, and I'm just gonna go over that liquid liner. And then you can take a little angled brush, and you can kind of just make more of that siren pointy eye. And then still with this angled brush, then you can just go and buff in both the pencil and the liquid liner together. So it gives you that nice smoky look. This is the Voluminous Panorama Mascara. This brush is perfect because it's small at the beginning and gets wider as you go, so you can really get the smaller lashes and then fan out your lashes at the end. I'm gonna start at the ends of my lashes, just really coat underneath before dragging it up. So I'll go all along the lashes and then I'm gonna just drag it up. This mascara is incredible. It lifts every single lash, so it gives you that false lash type of look. I love it. So as you can see, the comparison of the eyes, this one's just so much more open. We're gonna do this side. I like to brush underneath and up, wiggle the mascara. And if you really wanna get the lashes on the inside of the eye, you kind of tilt the mascara brush downwards so you can get it at the angle of your eye and brush it up. And you can always do 2 coats if you want. So another coat. We'll do a coat on this side, just lightly brush through. Then we'll do a little bit on the bottom lash line. Now I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer. This is in the shade 350. And I'm just gonna bronze up my skin so everything ties together. Okay, so I just added some final touches to this makeup look, but this is how you get the ultimate quick siren eye. I love how it just makes you look so fierce. It's perfect for a night out that gives you that sultry, almond-shaped, fierce look. I hope you guys love this look just as much as I do. There you have it. If you want to learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head to l'orealparisusa.com. Links are below.